Hey everyone, hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to another video. So today it's going to be the review of something I think which is a very good product, and I've heard like a lot of reviews about this. I just showed you guys what it is. So it's the Huda Beauty's Legit Lashes Mascara, and so basically I picked this up from this kit from Nykaa. So it had this is a kit box and it came for 2,800 rupees. It also had the Life Liner Duo eyeliner as well, so I have that as well with me. Here is the Life Liner Duo eyeliner. So this is a very great combo. Usually if you go to buy these separate, each one is going to be like 1,800 or 1,700. If you go to buy them separately, it's going to come up to 3,600, but I got this for 2,800. So that's the reason like I edited this video and quickly posted it so you guys can go ahead and buy it if you want. So as you all know that the Huda's Legit Lashes Mascara, it has two sides. Basically one side is for curling and one side is for volume. So the curl and the length side has a brush like this, which is a bit tilted. So basically it's like a bit curved, not tilted. So, and the volume side has the brush like this. So it's going to be like, it doesn't have like very long fibers. So let's see how the volume side and the curl and the length side looks. And when it comes to the Huda's Life Liner, so there is the pencil liner side, which is like this, and you're supposed to pull this side and the pencil liner comes out like this. Liner side, you have the eyeliner on this side and you're supposed to twist it to open it up basically, and this is the way the liner is. So I'm just going to like quickly do like a liner and then let's just do the mascara. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a very thin liner, and then we're going to move with the mascara. So I'm not going to use the eye pencil, I'm going to use the liner. So the liner has like a very, basically like the old eyeliners, you know, had that dipping pot, and you know the brushes would be like a bit thick, and this is not like a proper liner pencil like the Sketchman ones that you have. This is like a proper dipping eyeliner sort of thing. So let's see how this is. It's been a very long time I've used something like this, so let's see how this goes. So I'm just gonna like draw a wing, like a very small one. This is so smooth, I must say. It has a very nice consistency, but it's almost like the dense kajal like consistency, but it is so smooth. Like when I'm trying to glide, it's just getting so well. This is much better than a normal eyeliner, I must say. So I really think that in one like dip, I didn't even have to dip it again. It just glided so well. I'm going to try to do another eye and let's see how this goes. Wow. Basically didn't do a perfect wing, but I really liked the way this is. I think I'm just going to try to make it a bit more precise. So you guys can see how easy it was to use this one. I really like it. Seriously, I thought it's gonna make a mess, but the brush, like this particular part over here, is so easy to use. I must say it's very easy to use, and it's so like, even though it was loaded with like a lot of eyeliner, it just still was so easy to use and glide on. Like I must say it was worth it. Like you guys saw when I took it out of the bottle, it was so thick, but then when I applied it, it came out so well that even if I wanted to make a mess, I just couldn't make a mess. And you guys can see how my liner has turned out. Next, we're gonna go ahead with the Huda's Legit lashes, and first I'm going to like add volume and then curl. So let's see how this goes. And as you can see that it's not picked up like a lot of product, because what happens is that most of the times, especially like with MAC Cosmetics, the mascara, when you pull it out of the bottle, it has like a lot of mascara onto itself, but here it doesn't have that much. You guys can see that it's not loaded with mascara, because when I try to like remove it off, it's just there on the bristles. So again, I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see whether the mascara is working or not. I mean, usually I've seen a lot of people use it, so I really think it's going to work, but as for my satisfaction, I'm going to do it. Okay, so I made a bit of mess, but I'm still going to continue applying. My eyes are watering a bit because I blinked, but still I think I can go on. Seriously, just look at this and look at this. I mean, seriously, this is so good. I mean, you guys can see my lower lashes is just so highlighted right now, but I'm really sorry, my eyes are a bit watery because I blinked. But seriously, I think I'm just going to try applying a bit more to see whether it's working or not. Actually, I'll just go with the curl and length side to see whether it's actually lengthening or not. And this one was for volume, and I must say that it was good. Okay, so on this side, I'm going to try the curl and the length side. So let's see how this goes. I know I'm going to look a bit weird, but it doesn't matter. So you guys can see how it's actually turned out to look. Like, this particular lash over here is so long, and this one here is so volumized, and I can literally see the difference. So seriously, like, I really like this mascara right now, even though like I found you know, the formula to be not that smooth while applying. I really feel that it has its reasons, but it's just given such good, like, you know, results. I must say that this one here, you guys can actually see it's so lengthened, and this one here is much more denser, so it pretty much works. And you guys can see even this lower lashes of mine over here. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys. Even the lower lashes over here, you guys can see that it's just so volumized, and on this side you guys can see that it's just a bit like lengthened, because I really think I made a mess over here. But apart from that, you guys can see the difference between the two lashes. Like this one here is way longer and it's a bit more curvier, and this one here is just so volumized. It's so intense. I'm gonna close my eyes as well, so you guys can see the difference basically. And seriously, like, I really liked the liner. I must say they're worth the buy. They're very easy to use, and even if you make a mess, you guys can easily clear it up. I must say they're not that difficult to use, and even the mascara as well is so gorgeous. I must say it's very sturdy, especially the packaging. You know, when you try to like hold it, just because it has this like triangle like packaging, it's very easy to use, and you have like a very good grip of what you're doing. And it's the same with the eyeliner as well, that it's triangle and it's not round, so it's very easy to use and it has a very good grip. So that's the reason I really liked it, because I didn't make a mess. And you guys can see like my lashes are just so volumized, and this one here is so lengthened and curled. I have never seen my lashes like this, even though I have used so many mascaras, and you guys must have seen in my other videos as well, in which I have actually used a mascara and it's not come up to this level. So I really like this. I think I'm going to give a go for these products. So first of all, I want to tell you guys that this combination is available on Nykaa, and if you guys want to go ahead and buy this, then do go ahead and buy it before it gets out of stock, because it's going to get out of stock really soon. But even if you like one product, these are available for about 1700 1800. I know that the lashes, like I know that the mascara is available for 1800, and I must say that even if it's for 1800, it's worth it, because it's just worth the money. It's giving you such good, you know, results. It's really worth it, I must say. Even the liner as well, I think it's for 1700, and it's literally worth it. So if you want to go ahead with anything else, do not go ahead with anything else, just go ahead with this one. This is going to give you really good results. So hope you guys like the video, and I've attached the link in the description where you guys can buy this. Even if you don't get the kit and combo, I've attached like the product links for these two separately. So hope you guys like the video, and do subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram as well. I post there a lot. Hope you guys like the video, and see you guys soon.